Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Chris. I'm the food and nutrition teacher here at Capital School. We don't like to think of it as just cooking, it's developing confidence and life skills, but at the same time 21st century skills like collaboration, communication, creativity, innovation, adaptability. And we take a holistic approach. We know that it's not just about the cooking, it's about the science, the nutritional biology, the food chemistry, the artistic interpretation when you're plating food. It's about the business of food. There's every other subject can be linked into food, and we try and take that approach so that students have a well-rounded view of what food can be. And even if they don't want to go into the food industry when they're older, if they've gained the skills and confidence to cook a few dishes when they leave home, they go off to university, then that's what my main aim is as a food teacher.